Welcome back. In this session, let's look into the left join. Left join is a type of join that retrieves all the rows from the left table and match rows from the right table. So if you take employee and employee address tables, it will fetch all the records from the employee table as well as from the employee address. Whatever the match records that we have on the employee address, then those records also gets fetched. And if there is no match in the for the records that are on the right table, for the all non-matched rows, it will return the null value in the columns. And it is based on specified condition using on keyword. So in the left join, technically it would be the similar to inner join, the query, but in case of inner, you will be using the left join. And left join is also called as left after join. With that said, let's look into some hands-on on the left join queries. Okay, so let's start from the first query. So we will try to combine two tables, which is employee and employee address table, and we will be using the left join. So if you see, look into these records. So in employee table, we have many number of records. So there were 28 records that we have in the employee table, and for all the left records have been fetched, and for the records which doesn't have on the right table, we received null values. So this query is more useful for you in real-time scenarios if you want to fetch all the employees and also know what are the employees that doesn't have the employee address. So in such scenarios, the left join table will be helpful a lot. So it's not only the two tables that we can join using the left join. We can also join multiple tables. So the same query that we used for the inner join, but we have just changed it to the left join. If you take this query, so you still get left table has 28 records. You still get those records from the left table. And the right table, if you see the record from 10, right, record from 9 onwards, which doesn't have the skill details. For those all the records, the skill details are not received. So if you have the three tables and the complete left table is an employee, that all the records will come, and in the next table employee address, whatever is matching with the employee table, those records will come. And in case of skill table, whatever the records that are matching with the employee ID, the complete left table, only those records will be fetched. So in the similar fashion that we did, if you want to have a selected columns, yes, we can have the selected columns by combining all the four tables. So we combined all the four tables and we fetched only the records that are required for our use case. So this is more helpful to get to understand how many employees you have in the organization, and what are the employees doesn't have the addresses, as well as what are the employees doesn't have the skill set matched in the organization. So for all those kind of scenarios, you can definitely use the left join and then continue developing your applications. So with that said, we'll stop here on the left join, and we'll continue on the another join in the next session. Thank you for watching.